Proven protection for up to 10,000 miles. Engineered for use with conventional or synthetic motor oil. A special blend of fibers and resin creates a proprietary filter media that captures 95% of dirt particles that can cause harmful engine wear. Designed for everyday drivers who perform frequent maintenance on their vehicles. 95% dirt trapping efficiency. FRAM's PH3593A full-flow lube spin-on oil filter supports maximum performance. FRAM is known as America's #1 oil filter brand, and the FRAM team continues to manufacture and market a variety of quality oil, air, and fuel filters, as well as many automotive accessories including PCV valves, crankcase filters, and transmission modulators. Anti-Drainback Valve. Yes. Top reviews from the United States. Price is right. I was tired of paying top dollar for oil filters for my garden tractors, so I looked into these. The price is a fraction of the OEM filters. I wouldn't use a FRAM filter on my car, but for this application I find they're just fine.